Merhaba, Türkçe kursuma hoş geldiniz. I am Turkish tutor İbrahim Kaplan. In this course, I teach Turkish grammar that covers all levels from beginner to advanced. I explained lessons in English with plenty of examples, essential tips, and most common mistakes that you can avoid early on. To help you stay focused, I designed lessons with a clean, distraction-free layout. No unnecessary visuals, just a plain background, large bold text, and key points are highlighted in color. And also for these lessons, I followed my grammar book and the most effective topic sequence. That's not all. Here is the most comprehensive and interactive Turkish application ever. With this app, you'll keep learning and improving your grammar, writing, listening, speaking, and reading skills through thousands of examples. Explore hundreds of topics, follow your progress, and switch between grammar mode and tourist mode for daily conversational Turkish. This is very useful, especially for travelers planning a trip to Türkiye. There are more. When you make a mistake, you can view detailed explanation and sentence broken down by its suffixes. To focus on what matters most, activate suffix mode to practice only on suffixes, instead of translating whole sentence. Watch clips related to current question. Access entire library which contains all of my books and videos. Thanks to its syncable offline mode, wherever you go, you can use the app without losing your progress. Moreover, you can check my schedule and book private classes with me directly from the app. I designed it in the most ergonomic way, which lets you to use the app with one hand, only by keyboard, or just use it by voice control without even touching. There are more to discover inside this app. Thanks to its broad device support, you can use this app on phones, computers, tablets, and even on TV. I know you have been waiting for such this app. With its modern and lightweight structure, it's finally here. Enroll in my course and start this adventure now.